Cleveland High School has almost 1,700 kids. We have about 140 employees here. We have thriving sports teams, we have amazing clubs, we have a lot that we provide here for our students.
Jamie Lee, the AD here at Cleveland High School, takes his job very seriously. He takes pride in the student athletes that he's responsible for, and that is the way he also takes pride in his field.
We want to teach kids how to be hard workers and how to work. We want to teach them pride in what they have. Every day after practice is probably 20 minutes after practice where we clean up, we rake home plate, the mound, the cutouts. We blow out the dugouts with the leaf blower. We rake in front of the dugouts. And if you do that, it stays nice. It keeps you ahead of the game, and it teaches kids work ethic and teaches them to be proud of what they have. Now, sometimes I think kids don't get that today. We have a 3-week dead period at the beginning of the fall sports season, and then after that we have the opportunity to do workouts. At our school, I like to do 4 weeks focused on baseball. We try to go back to simple things, simple fundamentals, and then on Wednesdays we try to make it fun. We scrimmage, we do a scrimmage on Wednesday.
I would really love to go to the state playoffs this year. Honestly, winning states is one of my biggest goals, winning the state championships.
We have the service plan through John Deere where they come in and service the reel mower once a month. Nick and I have a good relationship. Nick is he's very loyal to our school. I can count on him coming the first of the month. I don't have to call him, he don't have to call me. I know he's going to be here.
Today I came out and did the service contract on the mower. They take care of their field and I take care of their machine. You know, it's going to look really nice.
If this field could talk, it would probably say, Jamie Lee, go home.
I think this field would be very thankful that it's here and that it has Jamie Lee to take care of it. That's what I think.
We set the standards high. The goal is that we want to win state championships. All our sports here, we like to say if we shoot for the stars and we land on the moon, that's a pretty good trip.